Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. You are watching Rabbi's unboxing. Today I am going to review a headphone with a microphone, and its model number is Logitech H111. It is upgraded version of Logitech H150. You can use this headphone as a gaming headphone and listening music, video calling and recording audio. Here backside of the box written some description. This is wired headphone with a noise cancelling microphone. I purchased this headphone because of its build quality and lightweight and record audio. Because of its microphone is very good. Let's see the headphone, how its build quality. Packaging is very good. Here's the guide. There is no time to read the guide. Let's put on the other side. Here 3.5 mm audio jack. So this is the headphone Logitech H111. Wow, looks so good. Sorry for the lighting misconception. So here it is. Looks great. Amazing build quality. Here the branding of Logitech. Here the cable. I don't know how long it is, but I think it's long enough. And here the rotatable microphone, 180-degree rotatable microphone with noise cancellation foam. Very good and soft. Adjustable. This is highly recommended for gamer vlogger, and I gave voice on this video with this headphones microphone. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel.